Before adding materials, go to the Render settings in the status line.
Find Arnold Renderer tab and create a background. Then go to Filters and switch to Contour. Now select all the objects, go to the rendering shelf and select one of the materials. Then go to Attribute Editor and change the type of material. Choose AiToon. Now if we render the scene, we can see the strips around every object. We can always change the renderer here to see all changes in real time. Create the directional light. Increase intensity. Select one of the objects and find the material tab in the attribute editor. First go to specular and set its weight to 0. Change the base color. Then go to Tone Map and press here. Select Ramp. Choose None in the interpolation box. Now add different shades of gray. Here you can save your own presets for future. Now let's make a skin shader. Select all body parts and assign a new material. Repeat the same steps as for the previous one, but choose another base color. Now we don't need to edit the tone map again. Just find the preset we made and click Replace. Repeat the same steps for hair and beard. You can also add some colors to the tone map.
For the glasses, we can leave the original specular settings. And this time, editing a tone map, we can leave the linear interpolation. Select one eye, go to UV and find Planner. Press the box. Select Project from Z. Do the same for the other one. Assign a new material for eyes. Instead of choosing a base color, press here and select Ramp. Change its type to circular and select None for interpolation. Now you can make any eye color you want. When it's done, add a tone map. Rotate the light to see if all tones look alright. It's better to increase the light intensity. It looks fine but too smooth. Let's add more contours. Select the object, go to the Material tab. Find Edge Detection and reduce the edge threshold. Zoom in and out to see how it looks at different distances. Do the same with other materials.